We have a brand new magazine and box kit. This is by Chloe, and we call that a magazine and box kit because it comes in a box. It has a magazine, but what's wonderful is there are so many goodies inside. So let me just show you. I'll set the box aside, the magazine aside. You can see it has cutting dies. These are poinsettias along with Merry Christmas. There are, I believe, 9 of them right here. Also has an embossing folder, as you can see. Also there are, let's see, 16 stamps, and there is a stencil. So stencil, stamps, embossing folder, and cutting dies. That is a perfect set. And in the magazine there are also papers. So let me just show you some of the things that I flagged to just share with you. Now, what I also like about these is that everything, almost everything in the magazine is supporting how to use the products in the magazine, and this really just starts you off, and you can see all the items and some of the things that you can do with them. So we'll get started. And here is using that stamp. There's all the trees. Here is using the cutting dies. And let me just show you. They are small, but you can just layer them, which is of course perfect. And there is a great shot of it. And here is if you're going to use pearlescent or light colored papers, it's going to give you a good look. And so that's nice. And here's more when you're going to put maybe a diamond dust on them or some glitter. That's going to work well. These really darling deer in the stamp set, they're right here. They're used throughout the project. So just want to share that with you because you're going to see them multiple times. There it is. Now this is using the stencil. And that is used quite often because it's just absolutely highly useful. You can see the stamp, the embossing folder right here, and that has also been colored in. So lots of options there. And as we go through the magazine, you're just going to find a lot of really fun ideas. I thought this was really amazing and quite a different color combination. And so that was fun, just using some of the poinsettias and again, using that full circle. Very fun. This is called a highlight stamping. So you stamp and color in, but then you highlight just a certain area and lift that up with another stamping. So that was fun. Again, a different color combination, and again, using those very sweet deer. And you can see this is doing an explosion. You kind of pull it out, and so there's complete instructions. This is stamping on the papers, so you can see that, and I'll show you the papers in just a moment. I thought this was a very fun, they're calling it elegant embossing, and this is going to give you the step-by-step instructions. And I thought this was really pretty, a different color combination, and that was nice to see. This is also a different color combination, and I liked seeing that too, and just giving you a lot of ideas. Pardon me. Again, some very pretty, this is with gold embossing powder and then coloring in, and I did like that. So let me get you into the papers. There are 16 sheets, and some of them, like this, have areas that you can cut out. Again, that's that deer that are so cute in the stamps, but you can see them, they're larger here. The back is patterned, so you certainly get use out of these. And as I said, this is that sheet that you can stamp on and get a different look. And you get both sides, and very sweet patterns. And these are A4 size, so I kind of think of that as a generous 8.5 by 11. And you can see that they are duplicated. And we'll go through these. They are a nice weight. And let's see, just 2 more. There you go. So that takes care of it for us. And then we'll get back into, so you can do circle cards. You can also die cut out parts of your cards. That gives a nice look. Again, this is another look, and so that's very fun to see. And again, I just think they did a very nice job of giving you lots of ideas to use with the products that are included. Now, this is an interview with Chloe, and that's a really nice thing to see, and some of her co-workers and how she coordinates and does the things that she does. And this is a different look, and there's a download pattern of how to make this kind of a frame, 3D frame, and that's very nice to see. And here is another one. So you've got lots of ideas, and what's really fun is that you've got lots of tools. So with, like I said, the stamps, the stencil, the embossing folder, and the cutting dies all in one package. And I'm happy to tell you it's here exclusively at paperwishes.com.